Good morning, my beloved Block Thrasher community. Welcome to another episode of the Block Thrasher Morning Brew. My name is Justin Cummins. It's Monday, 7:18 a.m. in the morning, July 26, 2021. We have a great show today, a lot of things to talk about. Before we jump into the market and talk about crypto for a bit, there's something I was thinking about this morning that I just want to talk to all of you about for a little bit, by way of encouragement. You know, I think sometimes in life we want to achieve something. Maybe you're trying to reach a physical fitness goal. Maybe you're trying to reach a business goal. Maybe you're trying to reach an investment goal. And we always want to take the fast path. We want to get there quickly. We want to see immediate results. And the fact of the matter is that most things that are really truly worth achieving and that are valuable take a long time and take a lot of consistency, determination, drive, and work. And you get there not through big, massive changes, immediate changes with quick results. You get there through small, incremental steps. It's sort of like, to illustrate it in the physical world, if you dump a massive amount of water and it creates a quick flash type of flood, it's not going to do much to the ground below it. It's just going to rush through with a lot of power and a lot of force and then be gone and dissipate. But there really won't be much change or effect upon the landscape. But a very small, consistent flow or stream of water can, over time, cut a huge crevice into the ground. And so, with these, often with things that we're trying to achieve in life, it's the same type of situation. Just that morning walk to begin, or getting up and going to the gym, and maybe you don't do that much, but you build that consistent habit, and eventually, over time, you're lifting more, and you're running further, and you're jumping higher. And with investments, the same truth applies. If you dollar cost average, which is a huge principle in a lot of people, they try to invest a big amount, and they'll use leverage, and we're going to look at that today, and they just get absolutely devastated. And that's part of what's happening, what's going on right now with the market, as we see this fantastic, huge pump occurring currently. And the people who have been leveraged, heavily leveraged, who were shorting the market, and a lot of people got caught with this because they think they're going to predict the cryptocurrency market, which is just asinine in the first place, are getting wiped out and destroyed. But the people that incrementally, slowly, dollar cost average in are doing incredibly well. Very, very well in the current market. And so just keep that in mind. Remember that no matter what it is that you're trying to achieve in life, wake up every day and think, what are the small incremental steps that I can take today to better myself, to achieve the goals that I have? There's a really fantastic book which is also called Atomic Habits, and he talks about this a lot, and about creating these, a habit stack. Figure out what the goals are that you want to achieve, and in the morning, every morning wake up and go through, okay, I'm going to do this, and just keep in mind, don't be discouraged because you haven't achieved the goals that you were after super fast, right? And set realistic goals too, but remember, it takes time. I remember setting a couple of goals that they were pretty ambitious, and I thought, I probably won't reach those, but I'm just gonna do those small incremental steps, and guess what? Without getting into specifics, blew way past those goals. Have blown way past those goals. But guess what? It took a little longer than I thought it would, but eventually just blew way past the original goal. So keep that in mind. Let's take a look at the market and see what's going on here today. Wow! The total cryptocurrency market is up 10.2% to $1.59 trillion. What the heck? What the heck is going on? Why are we seeing this incredible pump? I mean, Bitcoin is up 20.9% in the last 7 days, up to 38,000. It had just fallen below 29,000 and was struggling to hold on to 30 when, boom, it went up. Well, here are the two primary things that are happening, that are going on, that could explain this. Number one is this rumor that Amazon is about ready to integrate cryptocurrency into their platform. This is incredible, and if it ends up being true, will have a phenomenal impact upon the market. This according to zcrypto.com. Bitcoin spikes 11% as an insider reveals Amazon's plans to accept Bitcoin payments by year's end. You know, it's hard to validate what's being stated here in this article, but it has the problem is there's no actual source given to who this insider is, but unless this is a completely BS piece, there's some pretty concrete stuff here. After months of consolidation, Bitcoin has exploded higher in the last 24 hours. The Bitcoin price sprinted past 39,000 in the early hours Monday. For the first time since June 16th, the rebound is presumed to be a reaction to new unconfirmed reports that Amazon is ready to accept Bitcoin payments by the end of the year. So that's the first thing that's happening. We're going to look at it a little bit more, but here's the second thing that's happening. This article, actually, interestingly enough, makes the same connection that I was in and talks about it. Also, from a technical standpoint, a picture-perfect short squeeze occurred as prices surged, with the bullish momentum intensifying as the price jumped from 34K to over 39 in the span of 3 hours, right? So here's the details on the Amazon thing. After publishing a job listing related to cryptocurrency and blockchain over the past weekend, new details about Amazon's potential cryptocurrency project have surfaced. On July 25th, British publication City AM reported that the retail behemoth is, quote, definitely preparing to integrate Bitcoin payments later this year, citing an insider familiar with the knowledge. This is what was said. This isn't just going through the motions to set up cryptocurrency payment solutions at some point in the future. This is a full-on, well-discussed, integral part of the future mechanism of how Amazon will work. This according to said insider. The anonymous source posited that Bitcoin is the first main step of this crypto adventure, and the directive is coming from the top, meaning Jeff Bezos. In fact, she indicated that the project is pretty much ready to roll. After Bitcoin, the executives at Amazon are looking to add other top cryptocurrencies in the future. This also is another statement from the insider. Quote, Ethereum, Cardano, and Bitcoin Cash will be next in line before they bring out 8 of the most popular cryptocurrencies online. It won't take long because the plans are already there and they have been working on them since 2019. So the level of specificity, and like again, unless it's just like total bullcrap going on here, you know, it has, again, unconfirmed, but sounds kind of legit, you know, we can only hope, right? The source further indicated that Amazon also is looking at minting its own native cryptocurrency as early as 2022. Wow. Now that would be massive. That would be huge. One can only imagine. Goodness. If Amazon jumps on board and mints its own native cryptocurrency, I don't know how I feel about that. Quite honestly, will it be a decentralized crypto? Will it be a centralized solution? Actually, it kind of scares the crap out of me, to be quite frankly honest. Because Amazon is already known to be quite predatory. When Amazon decides to go after an industry, they do it in such a way that they just swallow everybody up. And I don't think the top cryptos are in danger or threatened there. But yeah, gotta think more on that one. Talking about that short squeeze, that is the other reason why we can be, well, here's the thing. What we're doing is we're speculating on what could be the reasons for this spike. The fact of the matter is nobody knows. That's the thing about the crypto market. Talked about it over and over and over again. But we can speculate. So we've got Amazon, the news about Amazon, and we've got this short position liquidation, short squeeze that happened. This coming from the blockthrasher.crypto. Nearly 900 million in crypto short positions were liquidated as Bitcoin breaks $39,000. You know, these are the people that were listening to the technical analysts that got hurt so bad. And these were the technical. I cannot tell you how many people were saying, if Bitcoin goes under $29,000, it's going to $20,000. And so all these people that were listening to that advice went and shorted Bitcoin, and boom, they got nailed. Crypto short positions worth $883 million have been liquidated over the past 12 hours amid Bitcoin's 12% price breakout. Data from Bybit.com shows that short positions on Bitcoin accounted for 81% of those liquidations, with 720 million liquidated. The majority of the Bitcoin and overall crypto short liquidations happened over the past 4 hours when Bitcoin's price started to see a notable surge. So here's the thing. If you dollar cost average in, put your crypto mostly in crypto that's going to bring you a return through staking or liquidity pools, etc., and you just hold, you don't have to worry about all this. It doesn't faze you if the market drops 10%. I mean, you might have a little bit of an emotional hit if you look at your portfolio and you go like, "Oh, I just lost a significant amount of money." And then when it goes up, the same thing. You're just like, "Wow, just made." But you're not. This is crazy to play this kind of risk now. Obviously, if you have the ability and the amount of money to lose this significantly, and you want to play that game, great. But that's not for most people. Let's go back and do our market cap wrap. Bitcoin currently 38,707, Ethereum 2,343, up 23%. Binance Coin 318, up 4.7%. Cardano $1.34, up 12.4%. XRP 65 cents, up 11.4%. Dogecoin 22 cents, up 19.7%. Polkadot 1476, up 15.6%. Uniswap 1975, up 20%. Bitcoin Cash 504, up 14.5%. Litecoin $137.63, up 14.7%. Chainlink $19.17, up 22.9%. Solana up to $30.07, 11.8% up. Polygon up 34.6% to $1.08. All across the board, 20, 30% increase in the altcoin market. Bitcoin up 20%, a lot of the others up equal or even more. Cardano. Morningstar strategists forecast Cardano to become mainstream crypto. This is interesting. Amy Arnott, portfolio manager at the American investment research giant Morningstar, has stated in a recent forecast that Cardano, together with Bitcoin and Ethereum, has the potential to form a, quote, big three of mainstream cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrency-focused strategist discussed crypto regulation, Ethereum and Cardano, in a conversation with Business Insider last week. So basically what she's stating here is that regulation has been the number one concern. That's been being alleviated, and that will significantly be alleviated if the SEC ever allows for a crypto ETF. Here's why this is interesting. Cardano, if you look at the total market cap right now, is currently number 5 because of Tether. It's really number 4. Its market cap is $43 billion. Binance Coin is 49. So it has yet to catch again and overtake Binance Coin. But look at the market cap of Ethereum, 274 billion. Bitcoin, 726 billion. What would happen if Cardano were to equal those? If Cardano equaled the market cap of Ethereum, it would be about $7 a coin. If it equaled the market cap of Bitcoin, it would be about $20 a coin. Currently, Cardano is $1.34. Just think about that for a second. Despite the recent setback, which saw the overall crypto market valuation halve from its peak in May, ADA, Cardano's token, is still up over 600% since the beginning of the year. Moreover, MSN Money labels Cardano as the asset to hold. Trader Tezcan Sikjil, I have no idea, Jekyll, I have no idea how to pronounce his name, something like that, said this: long-term holders of Cardano have seen great returns in the first half of 2021 despite the rapid sell-off in most digital assets in the past 2 weeks. Year-to-date, ADA USD is up over 610%. The MSN Money analyst continued, 2021 has shown that alternative investments such as cryptos can enhance returns of traditional stock portfolios as digital currencies and especially blockchain technology become more utilized. I expect the growth tokens like ADA to continue. Yeah, Cardano looking very, very strong. And Cardano about to roll out the next 2 steps toward full smart contract adoption on the platform. The ecosystem is just growing like crazy. More and more projects are working to launch on Cardano. It's going to be something to watch for sure. I'm going to wrap things up with a coin highlight and just a little bit of a notice here. If you're a Uniswap holder, or if you used Shapshift in the past, there's a number of different criteria. You might be eligible for a Shapeshift has this token called Fox, and they're airdropping to 1 million plus addresses. So you need to go and check and see if that's the case. Shapeshift has been in the crypto space for a long time. Created and founded by Eric Voorhees, one of sort of the OGs of Bitcoin and crypto. Created Shapeshift, and now Shapeshift has decided that they're going to fully decentralize. They're doing a Uniswap kind of thing. And they created this token called the Fox token, and they're airdropping it. If you're a Uniswap holder, you can get like 200 tokens. You know, it's all based upon how much I think you have. Bottom line, you need to go to shapeshift.com, connect your MetaMask or Trezor, whatever wallet you've got. You've got your Uniswap or your other DeFi, whatever addresses you use to interact with Shapeshift. Just look into it, check it out. This may be a project also that has some serious potential. As I mentioned before, Shapeshift has many users. A lot of wallets even integrate and use Shapeshift for their swapping function inside of the wallet, like Exodus and Atomic. I think they both use. I'm not certain about that, but I have to double check. So don't nail me if I'm wrong about that, but I think they do. And you can currently earn a nice reward on the airdrop that you receive. It's like 340% APY right now. So go check it out. All right, friends, I'm going to wrap things up. I'm sure that's about 15-20 minutes, and I just want to keep these Morning Brew episodes short. Hope you have a phenomenal day. I hope you have a great week. It's an exciting week as we start out the beginning of this week with this incredible crypto pump. It's always a great day to earn, stack more crypto. Appreciate y'all. Talk to you tomorrow. Goodbye now.